Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. And in this video I would like to show you how to adjust clock on this first generation of MiniCooper. The clock is located within this speedometer, right, in this instrument, and if you push this button, which actually shows the clock, it should show up. In my case, it's not set. You see it flashing there, but there's no time. And apparently trick is to push this button for approximately 5 seconds. Boom. Now it can be changed between 12 hours cycle and 24. I personally prefer 24. And I'm in 24, I will press this once again, and it goes for hours. And now I can start changing the hours, right? And it's 4:52 p.m. so it will be 16. Alright, when I have it at the 16, I have to pause. It will jump to the minutes, and now I know it's 53. So I will just keep pushing until I have 53. And I will again leave it alone, and it will basically finish itself. As you can see, it's running 16:53. I will leave it like that. Regarding to the owner's manual, it says the time entered is stored automatically after approximately 1 minute. So I will leave the key in ignition for approximately 1 minute, and then I will shut it off. So that was pretty easy, wasn't it? But how you figure it out without the owner's manual, that will be really hard. So I hope it's helpful, this video, to someone. Please stay tuned, be subscribed. I have way more videos about Mini Coopers coming your way on this channel very soon. Thanks for watching today, my friend, and have a wonderful day.